Okay,
Hey
so
guys,
here we go.
today I'm gonna show you how to get
This
a nice looking terminal
simple
that
terminal,
is fast,
ST config.
efficient, and doesn't
Um,
take up much
in my
resources.
experience, it's either the best setup that I
So
could
it's gonna be
get
simple terminal,
that would fit
and
my needs.
if you know
So
or if you
as you
don't
can
know already,
see, I
simple
can
terminal comes
also
with
when
nothing except
I
just
can
what
dynamically change
you would
colors
expect from a terminal, but
and with
without
the
copy-paste
wallpaper.
functions
I'm gonna
or
show you
scroll
also how
backs,
the theme switcher
history and
works,
stuff, and it's
but that will be
basically
for
like
another.
the TTY, but in terminal form, like in a window. So what I'm gonna do is show you this terminal is a fork that I've made, a fork from uh, the original ST um, repo on sockless.org, and so I've already all made all the necessary patches to get to the same result as I showed you before. So I'm gonna go to my GitHub repo where I made all these patches, and just clone it and install it basically. So you cd into the directory, you just clone it. After that you cd into the st folder. There I'm just deleting st and cloning it from scratch. For some reason the first try didn't work, and then I just redo the command, and then it worked again. Then you cd into st, and there you have it. First, and before using it, you have to type sudo make install, and here you get the what you should have, but without the decoration and all the nice stuff that's on the ZSHRC file. That's you're gonna do some tweaking to get a nice looking terminal prompt like me. But I'm gonna show it to you in the next step. A very important thing to do is to link the cache wall color.x resources, if you don't have it, to the x resources file that you can replace your x resources file with this one, and do a symbolic link. I get an error because I already made it. After that, that's the reason we just did that is so ST can load the color from X resources. Then we're going to go to power level 10K's repo. I'm gonna put the link in the description. So basically, I don't know if it's a software, but it's more like a tool that will help you customize your ZSH prompt, and you can install in various ways. So if you use OMI ZSH, you can git clone this one. You can follow every pod, but if you're using Arch, I don't recommend you to use it, to install it from the community repository or the AUR, because all these packages are broken. So install it like it tells you on the GitHub repo page. So I've added a few ZSHRC file and all ZRC aliases and stuff like that. To run the custom theme maker, it will let you choose between various formats and glyphs to make it look your prompt like you want. So I went with the only left prompt frame. I used to have the right prompt, left and right, but I think the left, with the only left, it looks nice to me. Choose many icons and concise, and yes, and then you have it. If you don't have the glyphs rendered properly, that's because of your font. Make sure you have installed the font like they tell you in the Git repo, the Meslo LGS NF regular font. You should put it in your config file, config.h file, and in your st install folder, and it should and then you recompile everything, and that's it. Here I'm showing you how to install the font. Just download it and then go to local share fonts and put it in. Then you need to reload the the font config cache. So anyway, so just put it in your local share fonts directory and type fc dash cache I can't pronounce this shit. Cache, and then check that there's a way to check that your how your system recognize your font when you type it in configs file and stuff like that. It's fc-match, and here I'm just checking that I get the correct match when I tap Meslo LG NF. Don't forget to escape the space, and it should be good now. Now I'm gonna cd into st and in config.h, and be sure that I have the correct font as first, and I have my backup font which is Noto Sans Mono, in case it is a problem or something like that. So don't forget to compile your new terminal, and you should be good. Okay, so don't forget to compile with sudo make install, and I hope to see you in the next video where we'll go more in depth about customizing your user experience. So see you, and I see you again, and bye.